Have you ever felt that constant buildup of mucus in your throat, making it hard to breathe or speak? It's more common than you think. In fact, most people don't realize that they're constantly battling with phlegm and congestion, which can affect their overall health in ways they may not even notice. Research shows that chronic mucus buildup can lead to irritation, fatigue, and other discomforts that are simply overlooked in daily life. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural way to finally find relief? Imagine this. You're in the middle of a busy day, and every time you try to clear your throat, it feels like there's no end to the discomfort. Sound familiar? This ongoing struggle with mucus can leave you feeling drained and frustrated, right? You shouldn't have to live with it. By the end of this video, you'll discover how a single plant can naturally clear that mucus and phlegm from your body. Time's ticking, so stay tuned to learn how this powerful plant can bring you the relief you've been searching for. Number 4. Licorice, Glycyrrhiza glabra, is a plant known for its powerful ability to soothe the throat and reduce mucus buildup. It contains compounds that help clear excess phlegm, making it easier to breathe and feel more comfortable. This plant works by relaxing the muscles in your airways, reducing inflammation, and promoting mucus clearance. Imagine this. After a long day of constant throat clearing, you try some licorice tea and notice that the discomfort fades away. Over time, this plant can help your body naturally eliminate that stubborn mucus, giving you relief without harsh medications. If left untreated, excess mucus can cause coughing, sore throats, or even respiratory infections. But with natural remedies like licorice, you can keep your airways clear and healthy. Have you ever considered trying a natural remedy like this? Or have you been relying on over-the-counter solutions? Licorice isn't just about soothing. It also helps balance the immune system, reducing the likelihood of repeated congestion. Just keep in mind that, like with all remedies, moderation is key, as overuse can lead to unwanted side effects. Can this simple plant be the solution you've been looking for? Stay tuned as we explore how other plants can help clear mucus and improve your health. Incorporating licorice into your routine could be a game-changer for anyone tired of constant throat irritation. Whether you're dealing with seasonal allergies or a persistent cold, licorice offers a natural way to ease discomfort. It also helps reduce inflammation in your body, which is a key factor in congestion. When you're dealing with excess mucus, your airways become swollen and blocked, making it harder to breathe. Licorice can reduce this swelling, allowing air to flow more freely. So, could this plant be your natural solution to clear, free airways? Keep watching, because there's more to learn about plants that can help you breathe easier. If this content is helping you in any way, show your support, subscribe to the channel, and leave a like. Number 3. Ginger, Zingiber officinale, is a plant that helps clear mucus and phlegm naturally. It has anti-inflammatory properties that improve respiratory health by relaxing muscles in your airways, allowing for better airflow. Ginger contains gingerol, which thins mucus, making it easier to expel. This is especially helpful when you have a cold or allergy, as mucus buildup can block your airways. Drinking ginger tea or adding fresh ginger to meals can soothe congestion and relieve sore throat discomfort. If you're struggling with constant stuffiness or coughing, ginger can offer natural relief. By regularly consuming ginger, you can prevent mucus buildup from becoming chronic. If left untreated, excess mucus can lead to more severe issues, like respiratory infections or sleep disturbances. Ginger naturally reduces inflammation, helping your body manage excess mucus without the need for medication. Incorporating ginger into your diet is easy. Add it to teas, soups, or smoothies. Not only does ginger support respiratory health, but it also boosts digestion and overall well-being. It's a versatile plant that offers both short-term relief and long-term benefits. Ginger can also help with nausea and digestive discomfort, making it a great all-around health booster. Plus, it's widely available and easy to use, making it a convenient addition to your routine. With its multiple health benefits, ginger is a powerful ally in maintaining wellness. It can even be a natural alternative to some medications, helping your body heal without side effects. Whether you drink it as tea or use it in your cooking, ginger offers consistent support. So, if you've been struggling with congestion, ginger may be the solution you need. It can be your daily go-to for better respiratory health. Stay tuned as we explore more natural remedies to support your health. While you're listening, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps our content reach more people. Number 2, thyme, Thymus vulgaris, is another powerful plant that can help eliminate mucus and phlegm naturally. This herb is known for its strong antimicrobial and expectorant properties, making it ideal for clearing the respiratory tract. Thyme contains compounds such as thymol, which help relax the muscles in your airways and promote better airflow. When mucus accumulates in the chest or throat, it can make breathing difficult and uncomfortable. Thyme helps to loosen this mucus, making it easier for the body to expel it. A simple remedy is to steep thyme leaves in hot water to make a soothing tea. This tea can help clear the airways, reduce coughing, and relieve sore throat discomfort. Imagine you're struggling with constant coughing and congestion, especially at night. You can't sleep because your chest feels tight, and the mucus just won't go away. This is where thyme can be a natural solution. By drinking thyme tea or inhaling steam infused with thyme oil, you can find relief. Thyme works to break up the mucus, making it easier to breathe again. If you ignore this issue, mucus buildup can lead to chronic coughing, respiratory infections, or even more serious lung conditions. Over time, untreated mucus buildup can lead to a weakened immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. Thyme helps to address the root cause of this issue, allowing your body to function properly without relying on medications. Adding thyme to your daily routine is simple. You can use it in cooking, or add a few sprigs to hot water for a refreshing tea. Thyme is not just beneficial for clearing mucus, it also has antibacterial properties that help prevent infections. By regularly consuming thyme, you can protect your respiratory health and overall well-being. Have you ever felt that uncomfortable tightness in your chest that makes it hard to breathe? If so, thyme might be the natural remedy you need. It's a safe and effective way to manage respiratory issues without relying on over-the-counter medications. Stay with us as we explore even more natural ways to improve your health. As you follow along, show us you're enjoying it. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Peppermint, Mentha piperita, is one of the most effective plants for naturally eliminating mucus and phlegm. This herb contains menthol, which has a soothing effect on your respiratory system. Menthol helps to open up your airways, allowing you to breathe more easily when you're congested. It also has mild antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can help reduce mucus buildup caused by infections. When you have a cold or respiratory issue, peppermint tea can be a quick and comforting solution. Imagine feeling congested, with a stuffy nose and chest. The discomfort makes it hard to relax or sleep, and you just want relief. A simple peppermint tea or even inhaling peppermint vapor from hot water can help clear your airways. It works by loosening the mucus, making it easier to cough it up. If left untreated, mucus buildup can lead to more serious issues like respiratory infections or even pneumonia. You might feel frustrated with constant coughing and throat irritation, but peppermint can help. By drinking peppermint tea or using peppermint oil in a diffuser, you can calm your symptoms naturally. Regular use of peppermint not only helps with mucus, but also reduces throat inflammation and irritation. It's a gentle yet effective way to support your respiratory system. Peppermint also promotes better digestion, helping to ease other discomforts that may come with congestion. By adding peppermint to your routine, you can improve both your respiratory health and overall well-being. It's easy to use in teas, capsules, or even essential oils. Do you often feel like you can't get rid of that annoying congestion? If so, peppermint might be the natural remedy you've been looking for. If you're finding these tips useful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So now you know, mucus and phlegm don't have to control your comfort or your health. Sometimes, small signs like throat irritation or blocked breathing are your body asking for help. And you've just discovered 4 natural plants that can bring relief, without depending on strong medications. You don't have to wait for things to get worse before taking better care of yourself. There's still time to notice what your body is trying to say and choose healthier habits daily. These natural tools are simple, gentle, and can make a big difference in how you feel. So ask yourself, have you been listening to your body or ignoring what it's been trying to tell you? If something in this video helped you or reminded you of someone, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with someone who needs it and leave a comment with the words, "I choose to breathe freely." And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay with us for more ways to take care of you.